Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Digital Marketing 101. Today we're going to discuss another off-page SEO technique that works, and that is getting backlinks with question and answer sites. What are question and answer sites? How to do it? Let's discuss in this video. Have you heard of Quora? It's one of those sites where people can ask questions and get answers from anyone, hence the term question and answer sites. You can get quality backlinks when you use question and answer sites. How you do it? What you need to do is go to any question and answer site, for example, Quora. Then find the category that is within your business niche. Look for questions that you can give quality answers, helpful answers. Then submit the answer. At the same time, you can subtly add a link to your website within your answer, and that becomes a backlink. Here's an example. Someone asked the question, what's your most unforgettable travel experience? I answered the question, and as you can see, I added a link to one of my blog posts that's titled Best Places to Visit in Bhutan. That's my travel blog. And with that answer and link, I have earned a quality backlink from Quora. Sometimes I will leave a signature block at the end of the answer, and the signature block has a link to the website. So that is another opportunity to add a link to my websites, thereby creating more backlinks. Make sure that you find question and answer sites that are related to your website and business, or at least categories that are related. When you provide answers, give full and complete information. Also, make your answers valuable and helpful. And know that besides Quora, there are many other questions and answer sites. A few examples are answers.com, ask.com, Yahoo Answers. Find the ones that are related to the topic on your website. Find questions where you have the right quality and helpful answer, then give the information. Besides getting backlinks, having links on question and answer sites can increase brand awareness and improve trust and authority. When readers click on the links, they are brought to your website, and in this case, my websites. As such, doing this off-page SEO technique can drive traffic to my websites. Do you have any questions about this video? Question about question and answer sites as part of your off-page SEO techniques? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.